Hello everyone, I'm going to show you very easily how to create a shorts type video with no sound, no face, using free tools. Let's have a look. So the two tools of choice are Kdenlive and Canva. That's the only two that you're going to need. By all means Google them and you'll see which one where I'm going to go to on these and download them. Canva's online and Kdenlive you will have to download and update stuff on your computer. But they're pretty much free, no payment, so off we go. So what we want to do, so for shorts videos on YouTube, they're very much mobile phone driven. So we've got to get the format for that correctly. So what I'll do is I'll show you on how to start that off first, and then we'll flip into Kdenlive. So Canva's your first one, Kdenlive's your second one. Once you've done this, and probably done it 3, if not 4 times, you'll find this very, very quick. But I'll go through it anyway. So we'll go over to Canva. So here's one I prepared earlier. And what we want to do is create a design. And what we want to do is go to phone wallpaper. That's the selection that you want to go for. There is an element that you could do this in Canva in one hit, but I'm suggesting not, and there's a reason behind it. So all I want to do is I want to get a photo of a beach. So we'll click on Elements, and we'll go down to Photos. And I've used these, obviously I was playing around earlier, but let's find another one. So let's beach and sand. See what that comes up with. So anything that hasn't got the pro against it is going to be a free download. So let's find something good. That one's good. Everyone happy? Cool, let's use it. So just click on once, and then what we'll then do is want to resize this to the screen itself. Oops. So once we've got that done, that basically is going to fill your phone screen. So that's tick box number 1. All we want to then do is click on share and download. Click download. I'll give you some waffle about creating social media designs for free. Off we go, and it's down here. What I want to do is minimize this, and you can see I've got my my file section here. That's fine, there's nothing untoward in there. But what I've got here is then the design that we've just got. So all I want to do is drag that across to, into Kdenlive. May or may not give you a prompt, I don't care. And then what we want to do is then drag that into here. Once we've got that, that gives us a timeline, so you can just give it a quick play. It's not going to do anything, it's not animated, so but don't worry, this is not what we want. So now, click on Project, add title clip. Once you've got a clip in here, what I want to do is create a box initially. Chuck it there. We want a black background, just so this is going to stand out. And what we'll do is we'll put that to black, so a black border, and there we go. We'll center it, which is pretty much in the middle. I took a punt on that. And then what we want to do is say we'll call it Gav Facts. And we'll drop that. Not too bad, almost in the centre. And then what we're then going to do is do another text box, and we'll just text actually. So is Gavin bold? Ooh, can't even spell my own name. We'll centre that, and let's take it down a little bit further. Now, one more thing you need to be conscious of. Is that by doing this in white, you've got to be conscious of the picture that you're using. Now, the picture that I've used is relatively bright, so what we'll do is we'll have an outline on this of about 3 points, so hopefully that'll come up. What we want to then do is create a title. What we then do is drag that across and drop it on here. doesn't look okay at the moment actually, so we might have to adjust the text. In fact, let's adjust the text. So this is where I do like Kdenlive with this. I can just increase this quite happily. Let's pop that across. Update title, and let's see. I think I've got to take this out and then reapply it for it to be. Let's see. So this is where the problem comes. Is, you know, it's with a whitish background. So let's change the text color actually, and let's go. Oops, black. Let's see how that goes. Update. There you go. It's Gavin bold. You can take this two ways actually. So now what we want to do, and this is the fun part. This is where I think it's great. So what I can then do is I can then duplicate the clip. So what I can then do is I've got a copy of that, and that's fine. What I want to do in this one is when I get in there, I can just amend this text only at the back of my head, which is actually true. If anyone knows me, there is a bit of a old issue at the back of the head. So in fact, that's what we'll do. We'll make sure that text is aligned like that. Update the title, and now I've got a new one, which is, I believe, that one. So what we should then have is when we press play, is Gavin bold. I've selected the wrong one, obviously. What an idiot. Did I save that correctly? No, I've obviously used the wrong one, and I'll show you how to fix this in a sec. Because once you've got this set, it becomes a template, a really good template. So is Gavin bold, only at the back of my head. Fine, happy days. Everyone have a laugh and joke at my bald head. So now what we've got is essentially 10 seconds of essentially a bit of a fun fact about me. So what I can now do is go to projects. I can then render this. I want it as best as I can, so we'll kick this off. Render to file. So whilst that's going off, it won't take all that long. Now, the best thing about this is we can then send this file through to YouTube Shorts. So what I would suggest you do is send it by email, or you can plug your phone in, whichever way you want to do it. Get it onto your phone and then upload it on your phone. And what I'll do is I'll link this onto my onto my channel. I can't believe I'm going to do this, but it's a way of showing that that's very easy. So what we can now do is we'll close this down, and what we can then do is do something else where I can put. So that's one video which we've done. So let's do another one. How tall are you? Update. Go to your next one. I am 5'6" and that's exactly what I tell people when I ever meet them. I am 5'6" Depends on whether I just get out of bed or anything, but there you go. So update title, and there you go. Straight away, within, well, I don't know how long, but it wasn't all that long. How tall are you? I'm 5'6". And again, now the thing is with these videos, and the reason why I'm doing this is there's a lot of channels now that are just popping up about facts, and these people are getting millions and millions and millions of views, and the views then turn into monetization, which then getting paid. Now for me, I want some extra cash. So by all means, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. It's just me being me, hence why the channel's called It's a Gav Thing. It's totally random. If you like it, great. If you don't, by all means comment and tell me what you don't like about it. But I think this is quite a hopefully a simple tutorial to go through and use 2 free tools to hopefully make you some money. Right, thanks a lot. Bye.